EU, these are very sensitive vertical that they want to make sure that we adhere to the standards. Having said that, this is also very sensitive, as what Nur Iwan mentioned, because Indonesia needs just energy transition. It needs to also secure the welfare of the people to grow. Please bear in mind that while Indonesia is the 15th, 16th largest country in the world, the GDP per capita is still lower than $5,000. So we still have a lot to do. But what I'm trying to say here, I think we should address the elephants in the room using probably some task force just on these two things alone, for example, because if we can debottleneck these two issues, I think a lot of things will happen. Because again, coming back, the scale, rationality, predictability of where we should go, I think is there. But I think it is a pity if Indonesia cannot capitalize on the relationship with the EU. And also, I think from the geopolitical point of view, right, naturally we have done a lot of things with Japan and also China. As a non-aligned country, constitutionally, I think we do want to have a balanced, secure, and safe relationship with Europe. So I'm going to stop there, but we'll talk more about it.
Sure, thank you.